Is your beauty blender gross and disgusting like mine? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix it.
Where are you now? Venice, under the sea.
Okay, so what you're going to need is a real dirty beauty blender and some Dawn soap. It is the best stuff ever. And you're going to fill the sink with some hot water and you're going to pour some Dawn on it. And you're just going to squeeze it like you're wetting a beauty blender to do your makeup. And you're going to rub it where the foundation is. And you can see it already starting to come out. Yes, I know. I need to clean mine more often. Don't come for me. I'm lazy. Okay? Yes. And you're just going to squeeze it in the water. And then you're going to reapply the soap a couple times. I typically do it 2 or 3 times. Just make sure it's really, really clean because I let my beauty blender get so gross. So basically just keep reapplying soap and scrubbing and squeezing the beauty blender and rinsing it out as many times as you want until you're happy with the results. So yeah. So we are almost finished here. And here is the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.